Hey there, thanks for joining us. Be sure to watch this entire video as we guarantee it will be worth your time.
Mark Dwayne here from markdwayne.com, and here we are into the members area of Breeze Funnels. And basically what Breeze Funnels is it's a way to get traffic off one of the #1 high traffic social networks on the internet, and that's called Pinterest. And it has a funnel system that it uses where you can funnel traffic off Pinterest. And we're in the members area here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show a demo that I got from the vendor, because it really explains how to set this program up really good. And then I'm going to come back and then we'll go through some of these tabs over here. So anyway, I'm going to play that demo now and then I'll be back.
Hi, welcome to a quick overview of our latest software called Breeze Funnels. So in here, you can search for high traffic pins that are ready to emulate in any niche for any keyword. So you can host on our server, no hosting required. You can even download the images and upload to Pinterest with your funnel links added in the description. And you can create pins and share it into your Pinterest account. You can also export data from here. So let's get started. This is the Breeze Funnels login page. So you have to enter your login credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to see this page. So welcome to the Breeze Funnel. It's a complete traffic system which enables users to quickly tap into a traffic source of over 320 million active users. So you have here your dashboard wherein you can create your campaigns for the settings tab. You have here the Autoresponder setting. You have Aweber, Mailchimp, Get Response, iContact, Active Campaign, and GoToWebinar. You can edit here your privacy policy in terms of service content. So once you have your campaigns, you can select and then enter your privacy policy data in terms of service data here. So you have here the tab for trainings and tutorials. You also have here your access, what current access you have purchased, bonuses, support, and the DFY, so do for you if you have purchased it. So it depends on your access. Now let's get started and create a new campaign here. So you have to enter a campaign name, maximum of 30 characters, as you can see. So you will see if it's available. So the number of campaigns that you have created will depend on what is the access that you have purchased with Breeze Funnels. So the next step is to enter your keyword to display the related pins. So it will be coming from Pinterest. So let's say I'm going to find for pins related to fitness. So when you click on search, so automatically it will give you the following pins. So you have here the number of likes, the number of pins here. So you can also sort this by the number of pins and the number of likes. So let's say number of pins. And then the next step is to add this to your inspiration. And then from here, you can create your own pins by using or by looking at these pins as inspiration. So you can also view even the description here. So this one for activewear brands. So let's say we're going to add this one. Add this one. So if you are to select only one pin for inspiration, you can automatically create similar pin from here. So, but if you are using more than one, you can select a maximum of 3. So add this. So you will notice here that the 3 pins that you have added for inspiration will appear on the right side. So once you're done, click on next. So as mentioned earlier, you can create your own landing page if you don't have any domain or website that you are using. So let's create a landing page from here. So as you can see, there are several landing page templates that you can use. So for example, we're going to select this fitness challenge page. You can actually view it here. Okay, so let's select this one. Don't worry, you can edit everything on the landing page. So here, you can edit the logo. You can get from Pixabay or upload your own. So you can also edit the text. Just click on the text that you want to edit. So for the background image, you can see here the styling options. You can browse and use your own image. So there's a recommended dimensions that you just need to follow so that it will display okay on your website. Autoresponder settings. So you can put here or set up your autoresponder by using your API on the settings tab. Or you can copy and paste the code. For the tracking code, you also have here the Google Analytics and FB retargeting code, SEO options as well for the ranking of the page. And then for their submission, so if it's successful or failed, you can select an option to redirect them or display a message. Right, so form controls, place your order, so whatever you want to input, let's say let's sign up. Okay, button link, name of the placeholder, and so on. So if you're done editing the following for your landing page, so for now, let's just keep it as it is. Let's click on save. So once it's saved, you have here create pin, automation, update. So generate ads. So you can also do it from here. So when you click on publish option, you will see that your page will be published. So this is the link. So let's try to visit on a new tab. So this is how your landing page would look like. So you can even download a WordPress plugin or for HTML. So just click here to download the WordPress plugin and install it on your WordPress site. Okay, so now that you have created your landing page, we can now start to create our pin. So click on the create pin. So in here on the left side, you have the image, inspiration. So remember that we have selected 3 earlier. So these are the images that we will use as an inspiration only. And we cannot use this following images due to copyright issues. So don't worry, on the image side, or when you click on the image tab, you can search an image from here. So depending on the keyword that you have entered, you can also change this and then click on search. So let's try to click on one. So once you have selected an image to use for your pin, you can edit here from the image editor. So let's say I'm going to put a text. You can drag them and resize. We can change the color. Okay, so you can also input icons here like a star, a heart, bubble, or emojis. So click on text, place their alignment. So you can also change the filter, crop, rotate the image, and then you have here delete. Right. So if you want to use your own image for the pin, you can click here on the gallery, browse, and then choose the image that you want to use from your computer. So once you're done, just click here on the save image and then proceed to create post. So from here, you'll see the image or the pin that you have created or edited. You can download it. Enter your description, so you can also retrieve the description on the pins that you have added for inspiration. So for example, this one, home exercise, and so on. You can even edit it or write your own description. And then for the link, so you will notice this is the landing page or the link for the landing page that we have created earlier. And then once you're done, so you can simply copy this description and post it directly on your Pinterest, and you can even export the data. So when exporting the data, you'll notice here it comes in a CSV file. So that's how you can easily create your landing page and then automatically create the pins that you can share on your Pinterest account. So now let's go back to our dashboard. So you will see here, this is the campaign that we have created. So you can create a new one. So for example, demo 2. I'll just show you on how you can create the pins without creating the landing page. Should you have any website or you have any hosting that you want to use. So keyword is about dogs. So I'm getting this, so cute, as an inspiration. So or there are other pins that doesn't have description, so you can view or check them out. So add this one. So here, let's add this as an inspiration. And then we click on next. So if you have your own landing page, just simply click here on the create pin. And then you can select your own image from your computer. So let's say I'm going to use this one. So I'm writing here a text. So let's say this is the text that I want to input. Oops, let's delete. So let's select color. So for example, let's say this image, create post. So when you choose to create pin, automatically it will give you this editor wherein you can create your pins. And then simply select from the pins here to retrieve its description. So here, if you create pin, you have to enter your own destination link or where your pins would redirect. So if you have your own website, for example, you can just put it here. So once you have pasted it here, you can copy everything, copy the description, save the image. So there, it's downloaded, or even export data. There, so going back to our dashboard, that's simply how we can utilize Breeze funnels to easily create these pins. So generate traffic on your website, create landing page if you don't have any, and then simply create and copy pins with high traffic pins for inspiration. So thanks for watching this overview and hope to see you on our next videos.
Okay, that was the demo video by the vendor, and I think she explains how this program works pretty good. And I'm just briefly going to go through these tabs here. I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time here because she went through most of it in that training overview demo. So anyway, we're on the dashboard, and here's the settings tab. This is where you hook it up to your autoresponder. And then here's the training. And this is the place that I recommend that you start. You got these training videos here, and I recommend that you watch those. And then here's the tutorials. I recommend you watch this. And then you got My Access, it says. And I'm not exactly sure what this is. It might be upgrades. I'm not sure. And then here's the support area if you have a problem. And then over here you can log out. Now we go back to the dashboard, and if you push this button here, you can create a campaign. And these are campaigns that you've created. And you got these options here: edit landing page, create a thank you page, generate ads, generated ads, I should say, see stats. You can clone the campaign. You can preview the landing page, or you can share the campaign. But anyway, that's the basics behind Breeze Funnels. And if it looks like something that you might be interested in, you can get access to it and my hand-picked bonuses in a link or button somewhere on this page. You just go to my bonus page, you push the button on my bonus page, you purchase the program, then you'll get access to all my hand-picked bonuses. And if you like my videos, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, push that notification bell, and make a comment. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you next time.
So, if you want to get the best possible deal, please check out the link below.